Once again, YouTubers, it's the afternoon of the yellow sun of the apocalyptic doom. And talking of doom, like I said, it's the end of the day, and that's still there. I was a little bit early with my triumphant video, saying that I'd found the fault. I haven't. I've got a theory as to what it might be, but as I'm not an electrical engineer, and I have no idea what goes on in there, it's only a theory. But you won't be able to see this unless it suddenly decides to focus. It is focusing. Oh yeah, there you go. Right, I'm going to put my finger in here now and get an electric shock. But there's two brass posts down there. You see them? They kind of look like a points gap. Now, from my little knowledge that I do know, these things are a high frequency start, and I think that's something to do with electricity jumping across a gap or something like that. Well, anyway, there's a huge crack and a burst of plasma jumping across those points, and the only thing that I can think of is they're like contact breaker points in a car, and over time they burn and the gap changes. So the only thing that I can think is that that gap has burned a bit too wide. I don't really know what to do about it, because I've been on the interweb and I can't find any YouTube videos, because YouTube fixes everything. I can't find any YouTube videos relating to how you set the gap on that thing. I've cleaned the contacts, which if anything will only make the gap out a little bit bigger. I don't want to mess around with it and make the gap smaller. So what I'll do tomorrow is I'll try to measure that gap with feeler blades so I know what the setting point is, and then I'll try to make it smaller just to see if that's what's making it arc out. But yeah, apart from that, we are dead in the water. So all I've done today is stopped in the nasty bits on here, which weren't that nasty, but I've stopped them in, primed it back up again. It looks like I'm going to have to bang the colour on it as is, and then mask all that sill out and repair that sill separately, because I haven't got another welder, and I'm still 900 and some odd. No, I'm 809 subs away from opening a Patreon page where some generous person might send me 25 or 30p to go towards a new TIG welder. So yeah, sub me up, baby. Else I ought to get this spam bot to send me some of the subs that they steal. I could certainly do with a few. And also, with the apocalypse as it seems to be unfolding, I'm not able to go back to the UK. I am stuck here. The reason for that being is they're saying we need to turn up back to Thailand with a medical certificate from a doctor saying that we've been tested for coronavirus. Well, you ain't gonna get no such test in the UK for less than about £200–400, and they're not going to test someone who's got no symptoms whatsoever. They're only going to test people that go in there saying, oh, I think I've got it. So there ain't no way I'm getting a certificate, so I'm stuck here. And I've also seen a video this morning saying that Boris is going to put the country on a lockdown for 2 weeks starting from Friday night, but yeah, I'm stuck here anyway. So there you go. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck without a welder. I'm stuck without 1,000 subs, and I'm stuck without any money to buy another welder. So really, you could say I'm stuck, but at least it's warm. And even though I'm counting the pennies at the moment because I don't know when they're going to run out, There is one can in the fridge. I'm going to enjoy this one. It may be my last. And on that note, I'm going to disappear and see you all in the morning. Cheerio now.